To connect with your voice, to remember the potency of allowing you to hear yourself, to hear your body, to listen to the whispers of your intuition, and to release some fears, to release some weight so you can walk light and you can have more capacity for yourself and for everybody around you. And if you do this work and I do my side of this work, we can really transform this planet. It's as simple as that. If you feel overwhelmed, you have this magic in you that is your voice, and connecting with music is a beautiful way to help you to move through whatever you're going in your life. Create with whatever you have been holding. Tune into that, set the intention, and see what happens. You can be surprised by your capacity to transform your reality and allow yourself to be heard, to listen to your voice with pride. The cracks and the shivers, the nuances, the little details, to find the edge, to be heard. Ah, shâw, 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 shâw.